What's up guys, we're back at it again with another video. It's your boy V. I got my boy Alan with me and Damon. You already know. You know the vibes. Anyways, what we're doing today again is another try not to laugh challenge. If you guys haven't watched my boy Damon's video of us doing the try not to laugh challenge, check his channel out, DNF, Damon and Friends.
Check it out.
I'll put the link in the description or put it right somewhere there. You guys can check it out, you know what I mean? Round those numbers up. But today, what we're going to do is a funny one. So my one friend, she told me try this. It's like, we make noises. We can't talk. We just make random noises, and if you laugh, you lose. But we're gonna make it a little bit interesting. Okay, we all are gonna bet, just like the other one, $100. You know what I'm saying? $100. Take that money out.
Okay, bro.
Who's gonna be $200 richer? Two of us gonna lose $100, but you know.
Look at this dude.
Like that. You know what I'm saying?
Let's go.
But before we get into this video, give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like. Get it to at least like 30 to 50 likes, you know, help a brother out. And then also subscribe and comment what you guys want to see us do in the next videos and so on like that. Okay? But without further ado, let's get it started. Okay? Who's gonna be here standing?
I don't know how to do this.
So we just make random noises, and then if we laugh, you lose. We'll do like right off the rip. If you laugh, you lose.
Should we do an example or no?
Stand here.
Like a.
So we can like us three in the thing.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. So no talking. So I'll start and then you guys go. Okay?
Okay. Yo, chill. Alright.
Here, stand in the middle, bro. Okay, I'm gonna start. You guys ready?
Yes, sir. Go.
Okay.
Go.
Oh!
Boy, if you don't.
Okay, well,
Laugh
two out of three. Two out of three.
You do that at work all the time, bro. This guy goes behind me at work, he just starts moaning, bro.
Two out of three. No, you can smile. You can't laugh.
Okay.
So you already lost one, Joe.
I lost one too. I laughed. But is it the first person to laugh?
I think we'll do the first.
First
No.
person to laugh.
How about like if anybody laughs?
Okay, anybody laugh. What about you if you laugh?
Yeah. So we all laugh.
Okay, we all laugh.
Okay, that was a test.
Okay, that's
Alright.
that's a
Oh, he
banger.
does that at
That's
work
a
all the
banger
time,
one,
bro.
That's a banger one. You can't be like,
Yeah.
you're not gonna laugh.
Okay, now you're next.
Hmm?
Yeah. You lost, bro.
No.
What do you mean?
Wait.
That's one for you.
Alright,
Yo, it's hard.
My
It
turn.
is hard. No, but he didn't do a
sorry,
noise
yeah.
yet.
Okay, yeah, do your next.
Hold this suspense. Yo, why are you looking up the way?
Come on, bro. Stop
Yo.
laughing.
What sound?
I won't
That you had
deduct that point for you.
What?
You laughed again. You can't laugh. The whole thing you can't laugh.
Bro.
Okay.
Go. Say it. Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright. Bro, I actually can't. I don't even
Come
know.
on, bro. You're gonna lose $100 then.
Fuck. Alright. Bro, I actually can't.
Just make a noise.
No, I can't. I
Oh,
don't
you're
know
gonna
why.
laugh, eh?
What? Yeah, because I'm gonna laugh, bro. Because fuck, I don't know. Fuck, it's actually hard. Actually, no. He just
Okay,
fucking
go.
scared me.
Alright, I'll go.
Okay. What can I do? Hold on. I know what I'm gonna do, but I guess it's like not even a noise. I'm gonna say something. It's like
It's like I don't know. Me.
do money, man.
Alright. Daddy.
Okay, it doesn't have to be noises. Let's just say like whatever phrase or whatever if you laugh.
Alright.
Okay, we all laugh.
Alright.
You can laugh, bro.
Bro, it's because you guys when someone laughs, when someone laughs, I laugh too.
I know.
It's like it just comes out.
It's just natural.
So should it be the first person to laugh?
Alright.
Yeah, first
Okay,
person to
first
laugh.
person to laugh.
So we'll do it like that.
So-
First person to lose their shit.
Okay, 1-1. 1-1. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
It's gonna have to turn around for this one.
You scared.
Daddy, chill. You laughed. Okay, 1-1-1, right?
Yeah, 1-1.
We're all tied, right?
Yeah. Okay, put a banger one.
Your turn?
Yeah.
What is it, best out of 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Top 3.
I'm trying to think of some too.
Yeah, it's hard.
Off the top of my head.
Bro, I don't. fuck, dude.
Okay, you go.
No.
What? It can be your face?
You be whatever. Just try to make each other laugh. Cause noises, I don't know. Noises.
Yeah, it's just caught me off guard.
Really?
Holy shit.
You're laughing, bro.
You laugh first.
No,
you laugh first. You go. Who laugh first?
What do you mean?
Who laugh first?
Huh?
Who laugh first?
I think it was you.
Get the replay.
Got him! It was you, bro.
Alright.
You said it.
2, 1, 1. You laugh, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I out?
You're out?
2, 2.
He's out?
Okay, you're out.
Alright,
And you?
My turn.
Get in the camera. 1v1, let's go.
Go. What is it? 2-2?
I'm 1.
1-1? Alright.
Here we
他
go.
告诉买
Love how Chinese shit.
当然宁远。You fucking
Laugh.
what the f is that, yo?
Okay, go. 2-1. Okay.
Oh, that hurt my throat.
Yeah, deep throat.
Okay, get out of here. I win, yo. Give me that money, yo. That's it. $300 right there, yo.
I wasn't ready.
This guy set himself up. You do same shit, it'll make you laugh and shit. Anyways, that was the video. Again, if you guys like that video, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to follow my boy Damon and Alan.
Yeah.
And let's get it. If you guys laugh too, or if you guys know any noises that we should have made, just put in the comments because we don't know what noises to even make, which is kind of weird. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one.